My name is Hugh Preston and I am a lecturer in the Department of Information Studies and I am Senior Admissions Tutor as well. The Department of Information Studies at Aberystwyth has been now in existence for 49 years, so we're celebrating our 50th anniversary next year. We look still at the traditional sorts of areas, people who want to work in public and commercial information services. We're looking increasingly, of course, at those in digital and electronic services, new courses such as digital curation. But we still have our information library studies schemes, our archive administration scheme, which is one of only a very small number of similar schemes in the UK. So it's a relatively small market for all our schemes. We're one of the largest players in that market. The majority of our courses are aimed at people who have studied in a different discipline previously for their undergraduate degrees. For them, they will be accumulating additional skills such as information technology skills in accessing external resources, databases that, whilst in their previous studies they might have been very conscious of being able to use computer applications, they now need to be aware of the variety of access routes, channels to facilities that are not within the university, but rather outside it. It's a comfortable environment, it's a safe environment. It has, of course, the National Library of Wales, which is one of the primary repository libraries of the UK, and therefore one of the major resources within the UK, and indeed one of the largest libraries around the world. So a major resource, and particularly in our subject area, it's of crucial value. We have a number of people studying on our courses who become information consultants, who work independently, are working for clients in the health sector. Some people become independent journalists, variety of different roles of that kind. Very often they are providing public services that are information-based. Those might be in the traditional library sector, they might be in commercial services. So, for example, the legal information sector is important. Law companies, the large ones, often have a large number of legal services because they know how to handle information and other virtual resources. Means that they can have a greater level of independence than if they were simply studying a subject to be an expert in it.